Get access to your Windows PC remote desktop using Remote.It without port forwarding. This works with Starlink and cellular connections. Before you begin, you will need to set up and enable Remote Desktop on the Windows computer that you would like to access. You can find instructions for this on Microsoft's support website. Please note that Microsoft does not support this on Windows 10 Home Edition. You will also need to change your Windows computer sleep settings to never sleep. You can allow the monitor to turn off and for it to lock. When your PC is sleeping, it stops running programs. You will also need to log in as an administrator account for the Remote.It installation. Install Remote.It on the Windows PC that you want to RDP into. Go to the Remote.It website and click on Downloads. Select Windows. I'm selecting the right download for my Windows computer version. Open and install it. You can either create an account here or sign in with your existing account. Sign up is free. I've already got an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now I'm going to register this device. To accept RDP connections by clicking Add Device to register and then add this system. It's going to scan for the services that are available. I only need a SMB and RDP. SMB would be for file sharing and RDP is what I am showing you today. Select them and when finished, add device. And now it's registered successfully and the services are online. And it's ready to be connected to. Now, I will go over to my other computer that I want to connect to this Windows computer from. I am now on my MacBook and I've opened up the Remote.It application, which I've already installed here as well. And I've clicked on my device list, and there is my Remote.It Windows computer. And now I'm going to connect to this Windows RDP service. Once connected, it's given me a URL and port that I will use, and I'm going to copy that endpoint. And then I'm going to go to my Microsoft Remote Desktop application, and I'm going to add PC. I'm going to enter the copied endpoint into the application. Then I'm going to connect. It's going to prompt me for username and password. You will enter in the username and password that you used to log into the Windows computer, so I'm going to type that in. You can ignore the certificate warning. And now I am on the desktop and I can do whatever I need to do here as if I was on the Windows computer.